Yo, what up, fam? It's your boy Vussy Magz back in the cut. You already know what it is, man. Man, listen. I couldn't be happier with the fact that we hit 10K. You feel me? So I'm gonna be bringing back Sunday analysis, right? But this time we're not gonna be doing the currency analysis and stuff like that. You feel me? Because lately we've been focused more on the indices and the synthetic indices. You feel me? So every Sunday is either gonna catch a video on how to analyze indices or synthetic indices. If I don't bring the synthetics, then you might find the indices. It just depends on the analysis that I did and what I'm looking at currently for the coming trading week. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You feel me? So yeah, it's a boy Vussy Magz. Welcome back to Supreme Traders, baby. Let's go. Alright, fam, so check this out. Before we go into the analysis, I need you to do one thing. I need you to go to my Instagram and follow me on my Instagram. Let me tell you why, right? At the end of this week on Friday, I want to bring you guys a video where you guys ask me, like, I want to do a poll either on Thursday or Friday where you guys can ask me anything you want to know. I'm going to do this on my Instagram stories on Friday, right? For the video that we're going to put here, right? So you can ask me anything you want, Forex related or not Forex related. I'm not going to answer everything, but just go to my Instagram and follow me. And on Friday, I'm just going to release the poll, and then you guys can ask me everything that you want to ask, and then I'll answer and I'll make a video and I'll upload it out here on YouTube, right? So go follow my Instagram now. Let's go. Y'all be saying, I say you feel me a lot in the comment section too. I'll be seeing that. Y'all be saying, man, this nigga saying you feel me too many times, bruh. But that's the thing. You gotta feel the kid, you feel me? You gotta feel the boy when he's in the building, dog. You feel me?
Okay.
Sharp. So we have a ascending channel, right? Our ascending channel starts here on the 29th of June 2020, right? So our first low, then we had this higher low, higher low, higher low, and the highest low. You feel me? So the trend line that we have at the top now, isn't it a channel? For a channel to work, it has to have a trend line at the bottom and a trend line at the top. You get me? So this is our trend line at the bottom. Our trend line at the top, for us to get it, we had 1, 2, right? So far, the bottom trend line has more strength than the top trend line. Why? Because the bottom trend line has more historical data, as in it makes more touches with the candlestick or with the price action. Look, 1, 2, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and look at the top trend line. 1, 2. So 2, obviously 5 is greater than 2. So you feel me? The more touches that a candlestick, that a chart has on the trend line, then the stronger the trend line. Less touches on the chart, then you feel me? Less strength, so to speak. So now the general way of how this is moving, it's bouncing from the bottom to the top, back to the bottom. Sometimes it might not go back to the top trend line, but it has to make contact with that previous high that was there. You understand? So sometimes it's not a case of you gotta you gotta lock your profits when the price gets to the trend line at the top. Sometimes you have to look also at the previous high and the price action there. You understand? Because the price action that we have there was revealing, because you can see the candles, like, this is a daily chart. So for a week, you're telling me for a week you're gonna hold a trade here, maybe a trade that you open here, you're gonna hold it even when you're here, and you can see for 10 days straight this thing is not going anywhere. No, you wasn't gonna. That was a sign that, you feel me, the sentiment of the market was about to start changing sharp. So now back here at the bottom, the price came back, retested here. You know, it's a snapper entry, you're just going long. So what happened here now with this recent high? We could have just had the same thing going on here, and then if we can zoom in so you can understand what's going on here, we had an engulfing candlestick. So I'm just gonna delete this so the price action there is clear, because all these lines are done on the lower time frames. You get? So we had an engulfing candlestick there, and then after that was just the signal. You feel me? The engulfing was just the signal, and the following daily candlestick was a fake, not a fake out. It was a false move. You understand? Because everybody that knows the price action knows the engulfing candlestick and what it is. And then after you see such a candlestick, then you're thinking, what? Nah, it's a rejection, is gonna go down, but it's still the same move. That engulfing candlestick will come with the false move to spike everyone to go against the trade, and then the price is gonna go with the original movement or the original direction of where it was gonna go, which is why sometimes you take a loss and then after that you see the price go exactly where your trade was open, or it goes exactly where your TP was at. It's because of these reasons like this. You feel me? It's either you got faked out or you entered and there was a false move and then you close your trade and the price continues to move in a manner like in a manner like this. Yeah, so it was a false move. So this is why, ladies and gentlemen, the price behaves how it behaves, and then you already close your trade. Now you're scared and the price just keeps going and going and going and going. You see what I'm saying? So besides that, let me just remove this and this, because we're working with the analysis that I used to have on this thing. I'm not about to delete my whole analysis, guys. I mean, you gotta watch the other video to catch the whole process. But yeah, I'm gonna go into the H4 now, so you can understand why I have this trend line that I've been having. Contact 1, 2, 3, right? 3 is enough. So the price might come to test down here, right? Or even if it doesn't, in some instances the price will come to test a significant low, right? And when I'm talking about a significant low, I'm talking about areas like this. But it still didn't make contact here. Still didn't make contact. So currently what's going on with NAS now, because we're here, right? We're on the H4 time frame. We already know the price is shooting for 15,000, right? Shooting for 15,000, we know for sure. But now what's going on here? If you're not in a buy, which I doubt, because now it's Sunday. You understand what I'm saying? Now it's Sunday, so you can't just automatically buy on the thingy, on the market open. You feel me? You can't just buy on the market open. But basically the price, what I can tell you guys is the price is still gonna push up. You understand? But how you're gonna enter here now, that's where you need the source. You feel me? We have the source, ladies and gentlemen. But what I can say is, you feel me, I don't want to make this video too long and start over explaining and stuff like that. I just wanted to clarify that the price is still gonna go to 15,000. You understand? Because if we look at the daily, based on what I was saying earlier, is we've already passed the previous high. So, and since now NAS is at an all-time high, we don't have any areas where like the structure can form, and you know what I'm saying, the structure can make, like, we don't have any other place besides this was the high. You feel me? Before the price made its way up here, this was the previous high, and then this one basically was the low, the high, this was the all-time high at 15 Feb, and then the market made a new all-time high, and the market is making a new all-time high. So after we pass the all-time high, there's not much really there's not a lot of structure that we can extract for the market, because the price is there for the first time, but the price is pushing up. You feel me? What you can do, you can either enter a buy, which I don't advise unless you have the source, or you wait for a sell here at the top, which is going to be a sniper. You understand? Because the price can keep going on and on and on forever. You understand? Alright, so that's all we got for the NAS100 analysis. I wanted to do the NAS100 and the US 30 at the same time, but I don't want to make the videos too long. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm gonna drop the US 30 video immediately after this one, maybe a couple of hours later, but they're all dropping today, fam. You understand what I'm saying? So it's your boy Vussy Magz. Listen up, man. Pay attention to this analysis, because if you're really trading Monday to Friday, the stuff that you're gonna find here that maybe you overlooked and stuff like that, you feel me? So it's your boy. Join my free Telegram too, man. You feel me? Peace out. I'm gonna see you on the next one, fam.